The intro is the first act of the video where the concept of the video is explained in a creative way that sets the scene, builds the stakes, explains the why of the episode, and launches the video. I'll walk through how I did it for our supercar video.
Supercars are the most luxurious cars in the world, and it turns out the Arabic billionaires fly their cars to London when they visit during summer.
Here we set the goal of the episode and draw the viewer into the prize of getting into a supercar. But then we need to show the obstacle.
Obviously, we could never afford a supercar, but we've always wanted to know what it's like to be in one.
Here we set up the why. We can't afford a supercar, but we still want the experience of riding in one. So what are we gonna do about it?
So while we're in London, we decided to try to convince owners to take us for a joyride.
Here we finally launch into the episode by saying where we are and what we're gonna do. So in summary, we set up the stakes with the cold open, explain the prize, explain the obstacles, and set the scene. Obviously, there's an infinite amount of ways to give this information, but as long as it's there, you're ready to start the video. Besides context, the intro is also a great place to flex your creativity. You can use stop motion,
And we decided to challenge ourselves to get as far away as possible in any direction within 24 hours.
film setups,
And then our manager Zach said it.
All you had to do was figure out how to get to a random country in Europe? Guys, even a monkey can figure that out.
movie scenes,
Finding love. Probably one of the most common struggles we all face at one point.
play with text,
And if you've been told no 1,000 times, in the end, it's the one yes that counts. See you on our next adventure.
It's meant to draw the viewer in for the rest of the episode, so the more intriguing and creatively interesting it is, the better your video will be. So now, create an intro for your video using some of these concepts. This sets up the entire plot structurally and creatively and gives the video its why. So take your time with it and we'll move on to the concept and action next.